where to look for it now.
There we are. Banyon's helping baby Thunder's baby find that milk. She's got long legs. And Thunder's really short stature, so the baby's struggling. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Hold still, Thunder.
Oh, yeah.
Hold still.
Oh,
Oh, there you go. There's our first colostrum.
oh, she got a bunch of it.
Good girl. Hold still, Thunder. Oh,
Down, little one.
she's too high.
You think her udder's
Rancher Banyon got under there and helped her find that. Oh, those darn flies. I know. There we go. Be in her mouth. There you go. Oops, I was a little sideways there, folks. Sorry about that. Oh, she got it, Banyon?
Oh, yeah. I squeezed it. It's got a ton of
Oh, good. So important that the babies get that colostrum.
And the teats are nice
there
and
you
small.
go.
And they're small like
Gosh,
that.
Thunder's got tiny teats, yes.
That's good.
Yeah.
Look at the back one.
So that's her leg, honey.
Yeah, just crouch down if you have to. Oh, there we go.
Get on her knees if she has to, huh? Pretty cool. Excuse me. Oh, got a good one there, huh? Rancher Banyon loves to help the babies. Oops.
He's sucking her.
It's her first drink of her mama, about 15 minutes into life. What do you think, Rancher Banyon?
Good mommy and baby. You can't do this with regular cows.
Yeah, we're so
Oh,
blessed
the
to
nice
have
Murray
these
Grays.
wonderful Murray Grays. They love to have help from us humans. All right, well, beautiful day. New calf for Thunder. Signing out for now.